In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do a voiceover in Adobe Premiere Pro. This is a powerful skill to have if you want to create professional quality videos with dynamic audio narration. Whether you're a seasoned editor or a beginner, I'm here to guide you through the process. To begin, you'll need to open Adobe Premiere Pro and navigate your project until you locate the microphone icon. This icon is a little symbol of a mic, conveniently placed within the audio track of your timeline. It's specifically designed to help users like you easily record voiceovers directly into your project. Take a moment to load your project and familiarize yourself with the timeline if you haven't done so already. Next, let's click on that mic icon. Once you do, Premiere Pro initiates a voiceover recording setup. Before you start recording, make sure you've set up your microphone correctly and you're in a quiet space to minimize background noise and ensure the clarity of your recording. Clicking the mic icon essentially primes the track to start accepting audio input directly from your microphone. If you've never explored this feature before, it might be a good idea to review your audio settings under Preferences to optimize quality. After clicking, you'll notice a countdown that goes 3, 2, 1. This brief countdown is designed to give you a couple of seconds to prepare. It's a cue to ready yourself before recording begins, allowing you to take a deep breath and focus. Take advantage of this moment to clear your mind, as this short pause can be incredibly useful for getting into the right mindset for delivering your lines clearly and confidently. Alternatively, if you happen to already have a pre-recorded audio clip and prefer to use that instead of recording directly in Premiere, there's another way to integrate your voiceover. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll find the Media Browser panel. This handy feature allows you to navigate to any stored media files on your computer without leaving the application. Within the media browser, you'll want to search for your prepared voiceover file. Once you've located it, simply click and drag it onto your timeline. This approach is great for those who prefer to make precise tweaks to their audio track in standalone audio editing software before importing it into Premiere. Once your audio is in place, don't forget to adjust your voiceover track to ensure it fits perfectly within your video timeline. You can trim the audio, apply effects, and adjust the volume to ensure seamless integration with the rest of your project. And there you have it. With just a few straightforward steps, you've successfully incorporated a voiceover into your project using Adobe Premiere Pro. Whether recording live or importing pre-recorded audio, these techniques will help you produce compelling, polished videos every time. Thanks for tuning in, and happy editing!